What we're trying to do is to specifically target signalling pathways that are associated with prostate cancer. So whereas drugs in the past have had more of a general approach and the associated side effects that come with that, what we're trying to do is select prostate cancer cells specifically, so that when the drugs work, they only affect the prostate cancer cells and you don't get side effects. When you're doing drug discovery, you can't do it on your own. Because we've got biologists working with chemists, working with clinicians, we've got all of the appropriate expertise that can inform us how to take it forward. And providing that you're all working together and you all want to go in the same direction, which is what we wanted to do because we wanted to work in this field, particularly prostate cancer, because we're all going in that direction and it's where we want to go, it's so much more easier to do that.
I'm analyzing data coming from the chemists and the biologists, and I'm essentially the link between the two teams. Computer models help you simulate and visualize drug candidates and how they interact with potential drug targets in the body.
What the computational chemist is trying to do is to find out how well, if you like, how well the keys that are the plant molecules fit into the locks, which are the target proteins that we're interested in.
I work in the Natural Products Research Group. We try to isolate the compounds which come from plants which are active, and so the idea is for the students who come to work with me to actually try and isolate the active ingredients of these plants and find out what makes them tick.
Within the team, my main role is to test any of the molecules that come from either the phytochemists, that's the plant chemists, or the synthetic chemists, and the molecules they're putting forward. They have to be tested in a biological setting.
It's important that whenever you're doing any drug discovery project that the context of the disease is always kept at the forefront. So the clinicians are there to keep us focused on prostate cancer.
It's very important for clinicians to work with scientists because we ultimately would assess any new treatments or novel treatments to ask the questions how effective these treatments are. That if you use very targeted treatment, you can have excellent results and avoiding the side effects.
This project has a dedicated, enthusiastic team associated with it who are scientists who are committed to drug discovery and committed to treating cancer.
There's a disease out there and let's look for a cure. Simple as that.
Money donated towards this project will directly fund our work in treating prostate cancer. And if it's invested in, I'm very, very confident that something will come out of it.